Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares are set to fall at the open this morning. That's because they've been taking cues from a sellout on Wall Street on Friday. And that was after the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's hawkish comments at his Jackson Hole meeting. The latest ASX futures indicate that the ASX 200 may open 104 points lower. That's 1.5% lower. On Friday, the benchmark index closed 0.7% higher at 7,104 points. Now looking to some big news from this morning now, and the fourth largest iron ore producer in the world, Fortescue Metals, reports net profit after tax of $6.2 billion for the year, the second highest annual profit in their history. The company declared a final dividend of $1.21 a share, and that will be paid on the 29th of September. Fortescue's net profit fell 40% from 2020 to 2021's $10.3 billion, and that was because of a drop in iron ore prices. Revenue fell 22% to $17.4 billion from $22.3 billion, and underlying EBITDA 36% to $10.6 billion. Moving on, and Mineral Resources reports its EBITDA is down 46% on last year at $1 billion. Statutory net profit after tax was $351 million, down 72% on the prior corresponding period, and revenue fell 8% to $2.4 billion. Operating cash flow was $344 million, and Mineral Resources declared a fully franked final dividend of $1 a share. And jewellery store Lovisa has seen strong trading for the first 7 weeks of financial year 2023, with comparable store sales up 21% on financial year 2022. Total sales for the period are 66.1% higher than the same period last year, with the prior year impacted by the COVID-19 lockdowns. Lovisa has reported revenue of $458.7 million for financial year 2022. The company did declare a final dividend of 37 cents a share, 30% franked. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now, over in the US, on Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell 3%. The S&P 500 dropped 3.4%, and the Nasdaq ended 3.95% lower. European stocks also showed weakness on downbeat German consumer sentiment data. The Stoxx 50 dipped 1.9%, the FTSE fell 0.7%, and the DAX dropped 2.3%, with the CAC ending 1.7% lower. Now, oil prices rose on Friday, and that was amid signs that OPEC could cut output. Brent crude futures were up $1.65 and closed at $100.99 a barrel. WTI crude futures rose 54 cents to finish at $93.06 a barrel. Gold prices fell on Friday as the prospect of the Fed raising rates weighed on the yellow metal. Spot gold was at $1,736 an ounce, down 1.23%. And the crypto market cap is struggling below $1 trillion as Bitcoin and most altcoins failed to produce any significant gains. The weekend saw Bitcoin's price plunge to below $20,000. Well, that's all for our ASX Breakfast report here this morning at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.